Drop the book, motherfucker! Get down on the goddamn ground! Get down, you motherfucker! Put your hands flat on the fucking ground and shut the fuck up! Shut the fuck up!
I have money.
Did I tell you to shut up?
Yes.
Fucking
okay.
look at me,
Yes.
motherfucker!
Okay.
Look at me!
I am.
I just have to ask you one fucking question. Your hiccups gone?